of quite a standard experiment I would use to sort of show resonance. And essentially what I'm going to do is strike the tuning fork on the right hand side of the screen with the hope that it's going to make the ping pong ball on the left sort of bounce around a little bit. So here we go, let's see. Okay. Now, typically one of the misconceptions that students would have here is that the frequency of that first tuning fork has nothing to do with the fact that the ping pong ball is moving. They are kind of familiar with the idea that the first tuning fork is causing vibrations, it's causing air molecules to vibrate, and they think that the ping pong ball is just responding to that regardless of the frequency. But what I'm now going to add to it is this little clamp. And so I'm just going to put a clamp on here as well. Okay, and what we should now observe is that the frequency of that first tuning fork has now changed. And now the ping pong ball isn't jumping around in the same way that it was before. So I'll just take the clamp off again so we can see the difference. Okay. So one of the, so there's a few things of physics going on here. Obviously, we've talked about resonance. So we've talked about the fact that both those tuning fork frequencies have to be the same. So we're forcing, sort of vibrations at sort of natural frequencies. But what we can start to do now is kind of try and apply this to the guitar a little bit as well. So the guitar has effectively a sort of resonance box in it. And what I'm going to do now, and hopefully you can, you'll be able to see this demonstrated quite well. I'm just going to put a scarf now inside the resonance box of the first tuning fork. Now, when we practiced this earlier, what we found was that, and if I was doing this like sort of in a classroom session, you can hear the change in amplitude of the sound. But what we discovered when we were practicing this before is that some computers have a sort of a bit of an equalizer, and you won't be able to sort of hear that difference in sound. So what I'm hoping we'll observe is that we should see a smaller oscillation in the ping pong ball. So we're going to use the ping pong ball to try and demonstrate this effect. A smaller sort of like, oscillation of the ping pong ball, and as we take the scarf out, hopefully we'll see that oscillation get bigger. So here we go, we'll give it a go.
Yeah, that's really clear, Daisy.
Brilliant. I'll just try it one more time to see if I can get it going even better.
Yep, we can see that working really well.
Brilliant, thank you.